Good afternoon, ABR-MarketWatch viewers, a roller coaster ride today as we analyze the shifting landscape of Wall Street amidst economic uncertainties and cautious Fed signals. The main indexes plunged to their lowest point in a week following mixed economic data and a split among Federal Reserve policymakers over interest rate cuts. The U.S. economy grew stronger than initially thought in Q2, but this optimistic data was tempered by the unexpected drop in initial jobless claims and a cautious note from Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee about further policy easing. These developments led investors to reassess the likelihood of a 25 basis point rate cut in the Fed's October meeting, with expectations decreasing from 92% to 83.4%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq Composite all experienced significant losses. Specifically, the tech-heavy Nasdaq was impacted by a 1.2% decline in S&P 500 technology stocks, with Nvidia and Broadcom down 1.3% and 2.8%, respectively. The broader semiconductor index fell by 2.2%. Stocks like CarMax and Oracle also saw significant movements due to company-specific factors. However, key sectors in the S&P 500 are seeing mixed performances, with the tech sector leading the pack up by over 1%, while consumer discretionary and communication services also show positive gains. Investors are now focusing on Friday's release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, which could influence the path of interest rates in the coming months. A potential government shutdown in Washington has also heightened uncertainty, as a prolonged shutdown could disrupt data releases and inject further volatility into an already uncertain market backdrop. Additionally, U.S. Medtech stocks took a hit after the Commerce Department launched an investigation into imports of medical devices. This probe could impact companies with global supply chains, causing concern for shares across the sector. The S&P Healthcare Equipment Index dropped by 2%. Analysts advise against panic, as the actual impact depends on companies' ability to pass costs on to customers. But make no mistake, investors are bracing themselves for further changes and remain sensitive to even modest shifts in economic indicators. So remember to stay informed, stay vigilant, and always consider your investment strategy with careful deliberation. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same channel, as we continue navigating the ever-evolving world of finance. Until then, stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for all the latest updates.